Hello, welcome to our video series about Web API logging. In this video series, we will learn about Serilog, which is the medium we will be doing our logging. We'll also be learning about various terms like enrichers and sinks. By the end of this video, you will be able to write your logs in your terminal and text file. The following are the prerequisites for this video series: VS Code and plugins installed. See link in the top right if you'd like to know more about the details about the plugin. Since we already have a working API already set up, you will need the following ready in your machine to run the application. Lastly, please don't forget to interact with us. You may ask questions and give your feedback in any of the video. Hope you enjoy the content.